Hey, Sarah. Sorry I'm late. The traffic was really bad. Took me over an hour to get here.
It's fine. I'm more worried about how we're going to give this presentation. None of this is stapled.
Stapled? Is that all? We should be more concerned about the traffic. Do you know how many years of our lives were wasted while getting stuck in traffic?
I don't know, 20?
I don't know exactly, but there's surely a lot.
Mike, I need you to focus. We cannot hand out unstapled reports. It will make us look bad.
Relax, Sarah. We'll figure it out. Hot glue. Yes, we can hot glue the pages together. Our revolutionary binding process.
What? Hot glue? Yeah, I can picture it now. All of our clients fighting for Glue Tech Industries. Oh, God.
Exactly. We could be onto a winner, especially when environmental consciousness is such a high priority. Think of all the stapled trees we could have saved.
Mike, our deadline is tomorrow. We gotta get this figured out. I mean, this is a half-assembled mess.
We can't, but we won't. Let's brainstorm. Did you check the supply cabinet? Maybe the stapler got misplaced by, let's say, the stapler fairy?
The stapler fairy? What? Okay, yeah, and I checked the cabinet. You know what it's like in there. It's like the Bermuda Triangle. Everything just disappears.
Kevin, right? Kevin got a staple collection, right? Maybe we should borrow one from him. Permanently?
No, absolutely not. We cannot steal one of Kevin's office supplies. They're like his babies. Remember when he started crying when Brenda accidentally stole one of his highlighters? It was a mess.
Ah, the great highlighter uprising of 23. You'd reckon with all those staples, he'd be better at keeping things together. I know. How about paper clips? We could MacGyver this whole presentation together.
Look, Mike, we're presenting digital marketing strategies, not origami. Oh my gosh. Crisis averted! Brenda found some staplers in the storage room.
Well, what did I tell you? The staple fairy always delivers. Although, maybe Brenda should be our new office manager.
Don't tempt fate, Mike. Brenda's still hiding, traumatized after that highlighter incident.
All right. Let's talk about the presentation. Any chance of adding a slide about the revolutionary binding techniques of the future?
In your dreams, Mike.